Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register a complaint on CEIR. First, understand that CEIR, or the Central Equipment Identity Register, helps block and trace lost or stolen mobile devices across India. To begin, you must first file a police complaint, also known as an FIR, for your lost or stolen phone. This crucial step provides an official record and is absolutely essential for the online registration process. We will then gather all necessary details and documents. Before proceeding, ensure you have all the vital information at hand. You will need your phone's unique 15-digit IMEI number, which can often be found on the phone's packaging or bill. A copy of your police complaint report is mandatory. Additionally, keep your proof of purchase, like a receipt or invoice, ready. Finally, remember the mobile number that was active on the lost or stolen device, as this will be required for the form. Now, let's walk through the online registration process. Navigate to the official CEIR website. On the home page, locate and click the Block Stolen/Lost Mobile option. You will then be directed to a form where you must meticulously enter all the details you gathered, including the IMEI, mobile number, and police complaint information. Upload your FIR copy and proof of purchase. After reviewing everything, submit the form and make sure to save your unique request ID. Once your complaint is submitted, you can easily track its progress. Revisit the CEIR portal and use the Unblock Found Mobile or Check Request Status option, entering your request ID. This will show you the current status of your complaint. Should your mobile phone be recovered, you can use the same portal and your request ID to initiate the unblocking process. For any further queries or assistance, the CEIR website provides contact information for their support team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.